Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan. Today we're going to take a look at our brokerage listing. This is a 2017 19-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. White hull with red graphics, black bottom. Boat does have a bimini top. Take a walk around the outside. We'll get inside and do a walkthrough. Hull is very clean. 115 horse Mercury 4-stroke. Boarding ladder. We'll go inside and take a look. As we enter the 19, you can see it has seats with backrests in the back. It has a cooler with cushion with a removable backrest. Flip seat, your console, the Garmin Echo map, Icom VHF, your gauges, forward, more cushions, anchor locker underneath, the walk-through split bow rail, which is a great option, cooler seat with the rod holders. Boat does have a fishing package with the storage on the side. Everything is in very nice condition. Any questions, please email us or call me. Once again, my name's Alan. Thank you.